Hello, my name is Reddy and I am from Krishnanagar, Andhra Pradesh, and I had done my MTech from Geetanjal College in Computer Science and Engineering in the year 2020. Then I had joined on 2022 on October 20 at Evision, and I have enrolled here for the job internship and don't know anything about Azure. Just because of Evision professional trainers, I learned this IT technology. Evision mentor has conducted first day of joining mock interviews with every session. Placement team also conducted telephonic and WebEx interview. Then I got selected at DXC technologies with salary package 2.6 LPA. Thank you Evision for giving me right path in my career.